Oh man, feels like a good night to work on the old car. Woo! All right. Oh, let me tighten that up. Where the heck? That ain't it. No. Where'd I put it? Where? Oh. That's not it. Where'd all my sockets go?
What's going on?
Oh, not much. Just lost my dang sockets.
Are you having trouble keeping your sockets organized?
Yeah,
You got OSU at Mulkey, don't you?
sure do.
Means you're broke, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us. Well, I got this great idea. I made something the other day. Simple. Take some plastic bags and take and cut up a cardboard box. You take and put all the bags, stuff them down in the cardboard box real tight, and then you take a heat gun and you take and heat them up. After you get it nice and hard, you take and cut a couple of holes like shown here. Take and cut a couple of holes in it, and then you can take and place your sockets in there. You can make them whatever size you want, however deep, whatever floats your boat. Then you can take and neatly organize your sockets and place them in your toolbox, and then whenever you graduate and start making some real money, then you can go buy you some fancy ones and throw those in the trash. Nice, efficient way to use your recyclable plastic bags.
All right. So you said take a bunch of plastic bags, stick them together, heat them up, and just make spots for my sockets, huh?
That's all it takes. Nice and easy.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Cheap Socket.